Your engine isn't broken, it's choking. Rough idle, laggy gas pedal, terrible mileage, you feel it every drive, but here's the wild part. Your mechanic already knows the fix, and they're not telling you, because once you learn it, you may never need them again. Most drivers think their engine problems are just aging, but here's the truth. 95% of engine issues come from neglecting stuff you didn't even know. Not your oil. I'm talking about air sensors, fuel mist, and throttle airflow. One of these secret tricks costs less than a sandwich and could save you $2,800 in repairs. Let's dive in. Fix number 1. Clean your throttle body. If your car shakes at stoplights or hesitates when you hit the gas, don't panic. It's probably not your engine dying. It's likely your throttle body choking. Over time, grime builds up inside it, coating the metal plate that controls airflow. That means your car isn't getting enough clean air, so it struggles to breathe. But here's the good news. You don't need a mechanic. All you need is a $10 can of throttle body cleaner and 10 minutes of your time. Pop the hood, loosen the intake hose, and spray the cleaner into the throttle body. Use a soft toothbrush or cloth to gently wipe away the dark gunk. Open the plate manually and clean both sides, then put it all back together. Your engine might run rough for a minute while it adjusts, but soon you'll notice smoother idling, quicker response, and better gas mileage. And yeah, you just saved a few $100. Fix number 2. Clean your mass airflow sensor. Your car's engine is trying to guess how much air it's breathing in, and it's guessing wrong. That's what happens when your mass airflow sensor gets dirty. It sits between the air filter and the engine, measuring airflow so your car's computer can mix the right amount of fuel. But over time, dirt and oil build up on the sensor wires, throwing off the readings. Suddenly, your fuel mixture is off and your engine starts acting weird. Rough, idle, sluggish power, even a check engine light. The fix? Super easy. Disconnect the mass airflow sensor, usually near the airbox. Spray it with mass airflow specific cleaner and let it air dry completely. Don't scrub it or blow on it. It's fragile. Reinstall it once dry. And boom, your car runs like it just woke up from a nap. Better performance, better fuel economy, and zero guesswork from your engine. Do it every 12,000 miles for best results. Fix number 3. Use better fuel and add a cleaner. Not all gas is created equal. That cheap fuel you get on the corner might be quietly gunking up your engine. Over time, low-quality gas can leave behind carbon deposits in your fuel injectors and combustion chambers. Your engine starts to feel lazy, acceleration weakens, mileage drops. But here's an easy upgrade. Always use Plus or Premium gasoline. It's labeled at the pump. It contains extra detergents that clean your engine as you drive. And every few thousand miles, toss in a bottle of fuel system cleaner like Techron or Seafoam. These additives break down buildup and flush out your fuel lines. Think of it as a power rinse for your engine's insides. It's cheap, quick, and you'll feel the difference within a tank or two. If your car feels like it's getting old, this might be the reset it needs. Cleaner fuel equals cleaner engine equals longer life. Fix number 4. Replace your dirty air filter. Your engine breathes through the air filter, just like your lungs. And when that filter gets clogged with dirt, dust, and leaves, your engine starts to suffocate. You'll feel it in slow acceleration, poor gas mileage, and even a weird smell sometimes. Here's the thing. Replacing it is one of the easiest car jobs you'll ever do. Pop the hood, find the black plastic airbox near the engine, unclip it, and pull out the filter. If it looks dark, greasy, or packed with junk, it's time for a new one. A clean filter costs about $15 to $20 and makes a noticeable difference in how your car runs. Some people even report better MPG the same day. You can also blow out a reusable filter with compressed air if it's just dusty. Do this every 13,000 to 15,000 miles or sooner if you live in a dusty area. Fix number 5. Upgrade your spark plugs and check coils. Spark plugs are tiny, but they do one of the most important jobs in your engine. They create the spark that lights the fuel-air mix. Without a strong spark, you get misfires, poor acceleration, and terrible gas mileage. Worn plugs can even damage your ignition coils or catalytic converter if left too long. The fix? Simple. Check your car's manual to see how often to replace them. Usually every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. Then grab the OEM recommended plugs, don't cheap out here, and swap them in. While you're at it, inspect the ignition coils. If they look cracked or discolored, replace those too. Fresh plugs and coils mean cleaner combustion, faster starts, and smoother driving. If your engine's been feeling jittery or rough lately, this could be the fix that brings it back to life. Fix number 6. Perform a carbon cleaning. Every time you drive, tiny bits of black carbon stick to the insides of your engine, especially if you take short trips or use lower quality gas. Over time, that buildup coats your intake valves and pistons, messing with airflow and fuel burn. The result? Your car feels slower, rougher, and maybe even starts making pinging or rattling sounds. That's where carbon cleaning comes in. You've got two options. Use a fuel system additive that targets carbon. Look for brands like BG44K, or take it to a shop for a pro service like walnut blasting. Sounds weird, but it works. Crushed walnut shells gently blast away buildup without damaging anything. After a good cleaning, your car will idle smoother, accelerate faster, and feel more responsive. Think of it like detoxing your engine. It's one of the best things you can do for long-term performance. Fix number 7. Keep your cooling system in check. Engines run hot. It's just part of the job, but too hot? That's where things go bad fast. If your cooling system isn't working properly, you could blow a head gasket, warp engine parts, or even crack the engine block. And we're not talking small repairs. Those can cost thousands. So here's what you do. Pop the hood and check your coolant level. It should be between the min and max marks on the overflow tank. If it's low or looks rusty, it's time to top it up or flush it out. Also, inspect the radiator hoses for cracks or bulges. They're like arteries for your engine. And remember, never open the radiator cap while the engine is hot. Steam can shoot out and burn you badly. Keep your cooling system healthy and your engine will stay calm, cool, and running strong. Fix number 8. Perform fuel injector cleaning. Think of your fuel injectors as the tiny spray bottles that feed your engine. They spray fuel in a fine mist that mixes with air to create combustion. But over time, those nozzles can clog with residue, especially if you use cheap fuel. When that happens, your engine gets uneven fuel delivery, leading to a rough idle, poor power, and bad gas mileage. Fuel additives help, but they don't always clean deep. That's why a fuel injector cleaning is worth it. Here's how to get it done safely and effectively. First things first, turn off your engine and disconnect the battery. Safety matters. Next, locate your fuel pump and disconnect it. Now attach your fuel injector cleaning kit to the fuel rail. Most kits come with adapters and instructions, so follow those closely. If your system has a fuel return line, make sure to clamp or plug it off. Then fill the cleaning canister with the fuel injector cleaner and pressurize it to the right PSI, usually between 40 and 60 PSI, depending on your vehicle. Check your manual or the cleaner instructions. Start your engine and let it run only on the cleaning solution for 10 to 12 minutes or until it's gone. Once you're done, reconnect the fuel pump and battery and start your car again. You should notice a smoother idle and better throttle response. Do this every 30,000 miles or when your engine feels sluggish. It's one of the best DIY tune-ups you can do. It can bring your engine back to life. Fix number 9. Stop engine sludge before it wrecks everything. Here's something most drivers never hear about: engine sludge. It's a thick, sticky mess that forms when oil breaks down from heat, short trips, or going too long between oil changes. Sludge can clog vital oil passages, coat your pistons, and slowly strangle your engine from the inside out. The worst part? You might not even know it's happening until your engine seizes. But there's good news. You can prevent it. Use high-quality synthetic oil and change it on time, every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. And once in a while, add a sludge-busting additive like Liqui Moly or Marvel Mystery Oil right before an oil change. These products help break down the gunk, so it drains out with the old oil. It's cheap insurance, and your engine will thank you with better performance and a longer life. If this video helped you, imagine what the next one could do. Subscribe and tap the next video. Our next video reveals 7 dirty mechanic tricks that kill your car slowly. Tap the screen, drop a comment, which fix do you like most? And if you've been tried before, tell us your story. We might feature you next.